Okay, so small videos of the day. We're going to play Craft 1, so we need to survive. Not the survival mode. So that is the yellow. That is thinking because I don't like this. But anyways, if it's small videos of the channel, subscribe right now. And also, I wanted to just keep uploading videos. And still. So anyways, we're going to play the game. Let's go the Craftman. So I wanted to play. Uh, So anyways, I'm going to there's fun today. So we're going to keep going to build the tower. So you want to see my tower at this? So let me know in the comments. So I'm going to build that myself, guys. Gotta build myself, guys. So anyways, we're going to play the game that's called Craftman. So let me know in the comments. What's that? The sound of survival mode. What's that? What the heck happened? Oh wait, it's still daytime. I should just wanted to just rebuild it, I guess. I just built my tower, I think. Look at this on my tower. Look, it's so hard. It's so very high, guys. It's so very high. No. What? What did I do? Okay, so anyways, I'm going to just kill the sheep, I guess. I'm just going to kill the sheep, I guess. So let me know in the comments. I just wanted to play the game. Let's go craft, I think. The offline I think is, but otherwise gonna play the 2008, I guess. 2008. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to keep digging it. I'm going to keep digging it, I guess. I wanted to keep on digging this, I guess. Okay, so anyways, let me I just restarted my tablet. My tablet is still low but it's not. My tablet is safe, I guess. Only my tablet is safe. So let me know in the comments, right? So anyways, that language is this, but anyways, going to keep digging it, I guess. I'm just going to kill the sheep. Just trying to kill the sheep, I think is. So I'm low in I don't know. Hunger, I guess. Hunger, I think. So let me know in the comments what is my favorite game. So I'm going to keep digging it, I guess. I'm going to keep digging. So anyways, the questions are just recorded. I don't know. So anyways, okay. So anyways, that. I just wanted to try my best. Oh wait, it's raining. What's that? Raining? It's raining, I think. Okay, let's go. We're going to build it. I just wanted to build a house, I think. So I don't have a house. I just have a dirt house instead. I'll let me know in the comments. What the heck happened? Did I just build a tree? Did I just build a tree, I think? Let me know in the comments. What happened? 2008. What the heck? Brookhaven? How? I just played Brookhaven because it's awesome. Everyone dies for me. Why? What? Sigma? What the heck? What's that? A coal? Give me the cola. I just wanted to make a furnace, I think. So let me know in the comments. Okay, so I have a seed in there. So I'm going to keep digging it, I guess. Digging up, I guess. So I wanted to just rebuild it as something else because the mobs will not destroy it on my house. So just disconnect. So otherwise, I'm going to keep digging it. So we're going to keep building at the tower. So a tower of the dirt and also the grass. So anyways, let me know in the comments, right? So we're going to keep continue building. We'll continue building, I think. So subscribe right now. If I get 600 and 700, and also play button, I think. So let me know in the comments if I get popular videos and popular channels. And also go to keep digging it or something. If there's a chicken, I'm going to eat the chicken. But I don't know. I'm going to keep digging it or something like that. Only I could just use this today time. And also I go to click the day and just see right there it says 6601000. Just being a copyright, I guess. Just being a copyright. Also let me know in the comments. Okay. So okay. I should just interrupt my game, guys. I just wanted to just interrupt before it's too late, guys. So I'm going to continue building or just look. We're almost there to just destroy the grass. I just accidentally watched the Minecraft movie. I just watched the Minecraft movie of the what is it? The Atmo. Okay. Okay, so naman ang cousin. It's my cousin's birthday again. I just wanted I was trying to trying to record it and just make a new video. I just worked so hard on this video, but no one likes my videos. Because I am poor kid. If I'm a rich kid, everyone will going to support my subscriber. And also I get popular channel if I think is we got a play button I think. So I'm going to get in grade 5 and grade 6. And to get thousands of videos I think. So I'm going to break this. So let me know comments. Okay. Going to play the game. Okay.
Let's play tower.
Okay, I'm not lagging. So, anyways, oh my god, I accidentally destroyed it. That's cool. And also, let me know comments. Okay, I think I wanted to just destroy it, I think. Trying to destroy it, I guess. So, let me know comments. Wow, this is the tower. Going to build the tower. I think I just built it, I think. Harder and harder. Chicken. I just built it harder, I think. No, I have blown out. I just even this. I wanted to eat the raw chicken. I need to eat. I love eating raw chicken. I love eating raw chicken, I think. Oh, you trying me? Yes, I got kill ya. Okay. I have my lanterns, I think. I'm not comments.
Let's play tower.
See? My house, my base. I don't wanna destroy it. This is my base, I guess. Anyways, oh my god, my tower. Looks awesome. I think my tower's awesome. I need to look at the chest. I need to put more vines in there. I need to put more vines. So it's too late, I guess. Okay. Gotta put more vines there. I'm gonna put vines in there. So that is the snow. This is my snow, and also this dirt. So this is my collection, I think. So let me know in the comments. Go ahead. Okay.
Alex, can my classmates join?
Of course, why not? Okay.
So, the name is Alex.
What?
Yes!
Twins? Text twins, Alex? I don't know.
Yo, let's wait for my classmates.
Okay.
I don't have Roblox, bro.
Okay.
Bro,
I can't
don't
even
have
do it.
Roblox. Alex!
Oh my god. Wow, it's so high. I think it's so high, guys. I think I like to kill the sheep.
Yes!
And also, this is my farm. I'm going to make a farm, I think. So no, children. I'm gonna make a farm. So that's just in case, again. Do not destroy it, everything. Okay. Okay. Ouchie. Ouchie. Oh my god. Where's the... I need to make a farm. I need to make a farm, guys. I need to make a farm. I need to make a farm. I'm not going to make a farm. We need to make a farm instead. So I'm a survival mode. I should just build it if I want. So let me know in comments. You can just make a survival mode, I think. So let me know in comments. Let me know in the comments, guys. It's my favorite game. Okay, so anyway, I have so many dirt. I just suggest destroy that. So I'm going to put the farm, I think. I'm going to make a farm, bee farm, I think. So let me know in comments. This is my farm. This is my beef. I'm going to I have this stone hoe. I have this hoe, guys. I need a hoe. I have a hoe, guys. Right? Okay, so let me know in comments. Okay, I just put the hoe there. This is my hoe. Oh, Merry Christmas. I am a snowman. So let me know in comments. Okay. I need to put a chest. I need a chest.
There's an ad. Road.
Okay.
Someone's admin.
Someone is admin. Why? Who troll me,
That's
ah?
right. I called anxiety.
Ouchie!
She fell.
What the heck happened?
Yeah, obvious.
Wait, can I just...
La 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 la.
What's that?
Please, overtaking ya. Take me a chance.
Do not throw. Okay, my cousin's playing a tower. So, anyways, I'm gonna play tower.
The lava attack.
Okay, I just played tower, I think. So, let me not go. I have seed, if you like it or not.
Yeah.
I have seed, do you like it or not? Let me know in the comments. Excited? Yeah, tell me. I'm not excited. Oh my god, wow. I need to place the torch because the mobs, the ugly mobs. Okay. I think it's not full. I think I'm going to fix it, guys. What's that? Singing. Okay, I put torch in there, so the mobs will not destroy it. Wow! I think I like this base. This base awesome. And I just wanted to place the torch in there. Hey, I'm going to kill you. Ow! Oh my god. I just accidentally lose my blood. Oh my god. So let me know in the comments. Okay. Let me just go up. Let me go up in there. Whoa. KFC, huh? Whoa, this is my bridge. Okay, let's build a bridge. I'm going to place the dirt right there. I just put the dirt right there. So let me know in the comments. I just placed this there because there's so many. Tower. This is my tower, guys. What happened? He's crazy? Or else I'll smash him. If he did it again, then I'm gonna smash him. Oh my god, I'm going to eat the grass. Okay. There's mobs. Hey, stop it. Okay. You're not able to mess with that. What else? Okay, let's go. Destroy that. Okay. Let me just destroy that, I guess. So let me know in comments. I should just destroy this thing. Before it's too late. If they kill me, then I'm dead. I'm dead.
I cannot. There's something wrong. Yeah.
Okay, let's just do that, I guess. Okay, let's go. I'm going to go up. Wait, there's block. I don't know, ship block. Go! Go! There's a mob! I think I wanted to place the torch there before it's too late, I guess. Wait, I should just break this down, I guess. I don't know. But okay. There. There. There, I just placed the torch there. Before it's too late. Give it to that. What are you doing? Oh my god. Wait, I forgot to place the chest. For the wood. Oh my god. Wait, oh my god. Wait, I need the wood. I need a wood. I need a wood. I need the wood, guys. I don't know what wood is, so I'm going to break it. I'm going to break it again. Who's Alex? Okay, so give me the tree, I think. Also, the tree will go to grow at something else. So we're going to place the dirt there. And I'm in the comments. I should just wanted to break this game, or just not. I just wanted to play that game. So let me know in the comments what is my favorite game. What's wrong? What's wrong with her? Oh my god. Don't. Hey, don't say the language. Forget the language. Okay, so let me know in the comments. What's wrong with my cousin? What's wrong? Upset?
Follow me.
Okay. Come on. Come on, I'm going to kill the chicken.
You have to wait for
What the heck?
B.
I agree. Oh my
I'm
god.
jumping.
Wait, I should just break the stone in there. So just break the stone if I want. So let me know in the comments. I need a tree. I wanted to. I just build that.
You're the only boy.
I'm low in hunger. I'm low in freaking hunger. Oh, what's that? A tree or apple? A
Your name
tree?
is Bree.
What's that? Tree or apple? Apple. There's an apple. Apple, chicken, banana.
I'm gonna no, save money.
Wow. Let's place the tree
No,
again.
you're not gonna be
Yeah, I'm low. So I'm going to eat the apple. Something else. I'm going to eat my apple by myself. I'm going to place. You know what? I'm going to place something if I want. I'm going to place tree again. Someone buy call. What's that? Okay, so the tree will go to just give me extra tree.
We're out
Or
of
just
ano.
okay. So let me know in comments. What is my favorite game?
You got $76.
So give me $76. Give me the idea. I think. Give me the idea. We'll go to get destroyed or just build it again.
Raider.
Okay, only got 16 minutes. So I'm going to build something that's special. Oh my god. Okay, so let me know in the comments, right? Okay. If I get 600. Okay. I need a tree.
Stay there.
Okay, I need a tree again.
Wait lang. See.
Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Guys. Come on. We're going to build it.
Waste money.
What the hell?
Body.
What's that?
Okay, I'm going to run this.
What's that?
No, it's dead.
What's
In a
that?
different village, of course.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's so... No, 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 no. No. No, I'm gonna die. No, 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 no. No, I'm going to die. I'm going to die. I'm going to die.
Let's go.
No. No, I'm about to die, guys. I'm about to die. No, I don't wanna lose my... I don't want to lose my blood. No, no, no. Help me. Ouch. 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 My butt hurts. I know. I know. My butt hurts so bad. No. My butt hurt. I can't even move because my butt hurts so bad. How?
Okay, Raiders,
I
continue.
can't even do it. I can't make it. I need to make a village, I think. I should just make a village. I need to respawn a village. So let me know in the comments. Okay. I can use the cheat, but anyways, this is my collection of the tower. So let me know in the comments. I think it's good, but anyways, they can just give me a tree. What's that? They can just give me... No, not again! I forgot. Not again, not again, not again. Bruh. Not this time. I just built a tree, I think.
I'm a
Okay. Okay, they just grow.
Rider.
A few minutes later, guys. I think I like this game. I just wanted to kill the chicken. I need to kill the chicken, guys. Alalalava, chicken. Steve, in the shell. I'm going to hunt you, huh?
Here you go.
Okay, I'm going to kill more and more chicken. Do not fall! Don't fall, do not fall. Yay!
Stop.
What's wrong? I was trying to eat it. Yes, I have 17 minutes. Give me. I'm hungry. I don't want to waste it now. Give me the idea. That is special. Why you doing it, Jimmy? Why? What's wrong? Give me idea. Please.
Okay.
Oh my god, wow. I think it's cool. I think it's cool, guys. I think I like this. I don't want to die before because I don't wanna die. Okay.
Body.
They will just no go in hell, guys. Lord hell. I'm going to build the village, I think. Or of every neighbor, I think. So, naman on times. I should just survive.
And also werewolves.
Okay. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Isn't werewolves
No, I don't want to die, I don't want to die, I don't want to die. Ouch, 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 ouch. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. No, 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 no.
You're not there.
Go, go. Get the call. Get the thing. Get the thing. What is iron
Go
stone?
now.
What happened? I can't see.
Oh, I'm upstairs.
What's wrong?
I'm up the roof.
What's wrong? I can't see because I'm blind. The Yeti, huh? I just played this game for a while. Oh no, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. You can't even make me, huh? Oh, gimme, 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 gimme. Oh my god, I have 20. Oh my god, I'm about to survive. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, where's it? Where's it, guys? Where's it?
Diyan ka no.
I wanted to shout. I need to just keep on doing that. No, I'm off. No. Goodbye. Goodbye, I'm dead. Dude, help me! Oh my god. I can't. Sorry guys. I'm up. Sorry guys. What to that? No! No! Can I eat? Come on, give me an. Come on. I can't even survive properly.
Yo, leave.
Bro, I just wanted to shout that. I just properly, guys. No comments. Oh my god, a chicken.